fish hatchery. It's called the Bonneville Dam.
We're with Maine, James, Julie, Evelyn, and Grayson. Now these are mountains. Now these are mountains. What are you doing, Evelyn?
I'm feeding the fish.
You're feeding the fish. That's a lot of fish. There's Julie and there's Maine. There's the handsome little stud. What are you doing, Grayson? Whoa, that's... Hi.
Two.
They're hungry, huh? You gotta watch Grayson because he can fall in there.
Yes. Hi. Come in. Come in. I'm recording.
I didn't blow my nose.
Okay. We're going to hike up that fall. Going through the tunnel. Hiking. How are you feeling?
Tired. We've been walking for about like 3 minutes.
How are you feeling, love?
Well, you know, dead.
Oh, you see that glistening? It's not sweat. I'm just a vampire.
Okay.
Shot loose. Right here, the waterfall. I think we are close. 9 of 11. 2 more turns, and we're there. Downhill. Oh, 中歇了。Oh, that feels nice to go downhill. How are you feeling, my love? I think we're here. Was it worth it? I don't know. We'll see. That wasn't too bad. Only when I thought I was gonna die. Was that refreshing? We made it. We made it. Yeah.
Refreshing?
the balls. Dry shoot. Dry shoot. Wet shoot. Good? Well, you're good at the hula.
We're going downhill. Smooth sailing.
What? It's a what? It's always that way?
That's it. We'll go downhill. Smooth sailing.
Smooth sailing, yes.